Welcome, sixth graders. You are on day number 2 of the 3D puzzle. And so today you're going to look at what a design brief is. And so there is a presentation that's linked into your design notebook. We're going to look at that together, and then that will help you answer questions for the design brief. Once we go through that, then you'll have to answer the essential question and daily summary for day number 2. And so the question that you want to have on your mind is, what's the purpose of a design brief? So let's take a look at your design notebook and look at what a design brief actually is. So in your design notebook, make sure you go down until you see it says start day number 2. We're on day number 2. And within this area here, you should write your daily goal. So if you haven't done that already, type in what do you want to accomplish during day 2 today. So today I would like to figure out what a design brief is. And of course, you can make your daily goal whatever you want it to be. And then the essential question that you want to have answered by the end of class is, what is the purpose of a design brief? So let's take a look at what a design brief is, and then hopefully you can answer that question in a little bit. And so a design brief, you're going to notice it says on the side here, it says, use this presentation to gather the information needed to complete these statements on the right-hand side there. So we have to find out what is our client, what is our designer, what's our problem statement, and every company that you can imagine has these statements and these answers to what their business is. And so with your 3D puzzle, you're going to be filling out a design brief. And so to answer these questions, you click on the link on the left-hand side here, and it's going to open up a Google Slides presentation. So throughout this, we're going to be jumping back and forth between these slides and your design notebook, because we're going to be looking for the answer to who is our client, who is our designer. So let's go through these slides and talk about what a design brief is. Design brief is one way to define the problem is used through the use of a design brief. This concise document, no more than 1 page, identifies the client, states his or her problem or need, details the degree to which the engineer will carry out the solution, and will list the rules and limits within which the engineer must perform. It serves as an agreement between the client and the engineer. And the client, which is normally listed at the top, for our 3D puzzle, your client is going to be Mini Me Toy Company. So you're going to go back to your design notebook, and where it's yellow here, we have to have all of these yellow boxes fill in. My client is Mini Me Toy Company. And so then you go back to the slides, the presentation, and let's just keep going through. The designer, well, that's the creative problem solver. That's who's going to be doing the work. And in this case, you are going to be creating the 3D puzzle. And so you have to type in your name. And I'm not going to go through the rest of these. I hope you understand then just going through each of these slides here will help you understand what a design brief is. And it'll help you answer the questions that go for your design brief, which is for the 3D puzzle. So answer all of these questions. Anything that you see highlighted in yellow, you should have an answer there. And then lastly, you should answer your daily summary. So based on what we just went through, if you needed to pause the video, obviously, to go through the design brief, but once you're done with that, what did you learn? Type in your answer here. And what did you accomplish? Type in your answer here. In both cases, use complete sentences. And then don't forget that you had your essential question right at the top here. What's the purpose of a design brief? And so after going through that, hopefully you have an answer of what it is. It's also listed in one of the first couple of slides from that presentation. So once you're done with this, you are going to be ready for day number 3. So if you are ready, you may get started with day number 3 right now.